Hey guys, how's it going? So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about why I am investing into High Tide. First of all, I bought High Tide when it was down here, like $1.75, $1.60. I didn't get quite the bottom, which was $1.07. I bought it here, and then the market got hyped up from, I think, a retail investor, a retail YouTuber that trades in penny stocks, hypes this stock up, and a bunch of his investors and people that had decent amount of money all got together and pumped the stock to $10. And then after that, the stock dropped off big time over the course of years. And now it's basically a dead stock. So the chance of this ever happening again, I think, is a big possibility. Simply because the company is executing on a fundamental basis. I think it's a pretty impressive company because of the management execution. It's rare to see this kind of execution in a company. Tesla did it. There's very few companies out there that did it. I can't even think of a company. Okay, kind of Tilray. I guess the multi-state operators, they executed to a certain point, and after that, the growth slowed down. But if you also look at like the multi-state operators, like Kira and Green Thumb Industries and True Leaf, this stock is like near all-time lows right now. So, and High Tide, there's just no interest in it from institutions. But the thing is, at a snap of a finger, like what happened over here, like one day you can wake up and the stock would just keep rising and rising and rising and won't stop. It will just keep going higher and higher and higher. Just like what happened over here. That could be another possibility in the future, but I'm hoping for execution. Like, I'm hoping for earnings that are really impressive, and then investors, even retail investors, they're gonna, like the smart ones, they're gonna be like, wow, this company is actually making a profit, a decent amount of profit, and the stock is so cheap. The bigger money, retail investors, and the fact that it's listed on the Nasdaq, are going to start buying in, especially if the stock is still sitting at $1.20, $1.30, and then the stock price will rise once the fundamentals get into the point where, holy crap, this company is actually doing like well. Like right now, like right here, right, they made $118 million with $6.6 million of EBITDA. Once this company reaches about 250 stores, they don't have to open any more stores. They can focus on straight cash flow profitability. When that happens, the stock could rally big time. Could a stock market crash come and crash the stock down further? I feel like it's really hard for this stock to go down, because I feel like a lot of people are going to hold this stock and probably buy more as long as the company's not going bankrupt. The lower and lower it goes, and I don't think people are gonna, and it's so cheap. $92 million US for a company that makes probably $100 million US dollars. This is, from a quarter, not the entire year, a quarter, with profitability of $6.6 million. That's like $20 million on average of EBITDA a year, because EBITDA can fluctuate. It could be one quarter, it could be 5 million or 4 million or 6 million, but they're already making 6.6 million of EBITDA. The only reason why they're not cash flow positive is because they're using this cash flow to continue to open stores. So once they hit about 250 stores, they won't need to build any more stores, and they can just focus on cash flow. And at 250 stores, they make $118 million now. At 250 stores, they might even have like a million, like they'll have 2 million members, but let's just say even like 50% of that 2 million, right? So 2 million, so a million people, 50%. Let's say they in 1 month, not a week, just 1 month, average of $50 a month. That is $50 million a month times 3. That is $150 million a quarter on just their retail side, not including the US e-commerce. And it could be higher than that. It could be higher than $150 million quarter, but I say bear case, like absolute bear case. They make $150 million. So plus the e-commerce in the US and the other businesses, let's call it $180 million in 1 quarter. $180 million in 1 quarter, bear case. Bull case, I don't know, 220. So the medium range is about 200 million. You know, they're making $6.6 million of EBITDA. At $200 million of revenue, they can be making close to $10 million of like cash flow if they're not building stores in 1 quarter. So in 1 year, they're making $40 million of pure cash flow. You know, and if they're still sitting at $92 million, that's just ridiculous at that point. I say that I'm gonna say that they are gonna be sitting at way higher than $1.23 once that kind of fundamentals come in. $250 million, $200 million a quarter. Yeah, no, it's gonna make a lot of money. Anyways, that's all I really have to say in this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.